So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add shadow to text here in a video here on InShot. So once InShot's opened up, here's my video. To add some text, press on text right here, press on text again, and I'll just type in the word shadow just like that. So by default for me, actually, here's my text right here. If I wanted to add some shadow to it, it's pretty straightforward. Have your text here. Go ahead and press on the color wheel right here. Now where I have border selected, I'll just get rid of that right here, but I'll go ahead and press on shadow right here, and you can go ahead and press on a color. So if I wanted to add some black shadow like this, you can go ahead and kind of change the angle that it is showing. You can go ahead and change the transparency as well. So this is my text right here. I'll press on the check mark right here. If I were to go ahead and play the video, I now added text that does have some shadow to it, as you guys can tell. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can add shadow to text in a video here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.